Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, if it's winter where you are and the weather's getting cold like it is here, but you'd still like to enjoy some of those lovely tropical summer flavours and think of the warmer days, well, you'll love this Pina Colada that I've created. It's actually a warm version of the original, so it's really lovely and warming and relaxing to have in winter. And it's also good because it's full of vitamins and minerals that will help boost your immune system and keep you fit in the colder months. So we need pineapple, of course. So you can use fresh pineapple like this, or if you can't get it, just use tin pineapple, but make sure it's unsweetened or it'll become too sugary. So about 3/4 of a cup, just in a saucepan. I'm just going to add a teaspoon of coconut sugar so that we can caramelize the pineapple a little bit. So to this I'm going to add cinnamon, which is a lovely warming spice. It's really nice in a winter drink. And if you have diabetes, it will help with your blood sugar. So about 1/2 teaspoon. And then another good warming spice is nutmeg. So I'm just going to grate some fresh nutmeg in there. It does taste better if you use it grated like this, or you can just buy it in powdered form. But this one is more flavoursome. And actually cinnamon and nutmeg can help boost memory, and they can also reduce stress, and it can even improve sleep. So if you have any trouble with sleeping, this is really good as well. So you just need this on a medium heat and just got to cook it until the sugar starts to dissolve. Okay, the sugar is starting to dissolve and it'll caramelize the pineapple a bit. Alright, so after about 2 or 3 minutes, then it will start to look a bit more caramelized and the sugar will be going a little bit sticky and thick. So now I'll just turn it down a bit. And now we're going to add coconut cream. So about 3/4 of a cup. And about 1/4 cup of almond milk. There we go. So you can turn the heat up again a bit and just stir it so it all combines. And you just want the milk to come to a very gentle simmer. We don't want to boil it or make it too hot. So you can just leave it a bit till it starts simmering. Okay, well it's just starting to simmer, so we'll just turn it off before it boils. So now you can put in some rum. Obviously if you don't want it alcoholic, you can leave this out. And I'm just going to put in a couple of teaspoons, but if you really like rum, you can add more. Stir that in. Now I just need to blend it. Alright, so now your delicious warm Pina Colada is ready to serve. So you just need to put that in a glass or a mug, and you can decorate it however you like. You could use whipped coconut cream, sprinkle of nutmeg, or maybe some char grilled pineapple pieces. Whatever you like, it's up to you. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.